In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your workspace, switch to a Gantt view, and organize tasks on a clear timeline with simple scheduling and assignment tools. Start by opening your ClickUp account and signing in. Once you're in, head to your project list. This is the place where your tasks live, typically found from the sidebar. Click into the specific list or project you want to visualize. It's helpful to double check you're in the right location so the Gantt chart reflects the tasks you actually want to manage. At the top of your list, look for the view controls. Click View to open the available view options, then select Gantt. This switches your project into a timeline format. You'll see a calendar-like grid on the right and your tasks on the left. If some tasks don't appear on the timeline yet, that just means they don't have dates. We'll schedule them in a moment. Before moving on, you can rename your Gantt view to keep things organized. Click the view name, choose Rename, and give it a clear title that reflects the project or phase. This makes it easier to find your timeline later, especially if you manage multiple views. If you'd like a head start on structure, you can also browse templates. Templates can provide preset views or task setups to save time. Explore the available options and, if one fits your workflow, apply it to standardize how your Gantt looks and behaves. On the left side of the Gantt, you may see small arrows next to task groups or parent tasks. Click the arrow down to expand and reveal more tasks or subtasks. This is a quick way to drill into details without leaving the timeline. Need more tasks? Simply click Add Task. Give your new task a clear name so it's easy to recognize. With the task created, schedule it by setting a start date and a due date. You can also assign the task to yourself or a teammate right from the task panel, making responsibility clear and keeping everyone aligned. Finally, you can hold and drag the taskbar directly on the timeline to schedule or adjust it. Drag left or right to change dates, or stretch the ends to modify duration. This makes it easy to respond to shifting priorities. That's it. Open your account, go to your project list, switch to Gantt, rename if needed, browse templates, expand to see more tasks, add new ones, schedule and assign them, and drag to fine-tune. Keep your timeline updated and your project will stay on track.